Okay.
It's right there in front of you.
Oh. But I didn't open it.
What Nana's got.
Oh my God!
Taylor.
Whoa.
My present! Maybe it's a huge
Whoa.
something. I bet it's a huge something. Let's read it. I bet it's a real life car. A real life car. It's a real life car. I don't think the car can fit in there, but it can smash it.
What's it say? Read it.
Two cars from Nana and Papa.
Tell
To
Cindy.
Connor from Nana and Papa.
Can you pull it off?
My big present!
Connor, what is that?
My big present! Nana! I want that kitty to come
Open
out
your
of
big
there.
present.
I think that can't be a kitty in there.
Open it up, Connor. What's in there?
Okay, let me.
Mommy, I want that kitty to come out right now. Hey, I can't open it.
Well, maybe.
Let it.
Nana needs more help getting in that boat.
We need to make sure they're.
Do you want to play with yours?
This red.
Brooke, you need to get over
Just
here and
rip
start
everything.
taking the
Ah.
boxes apart. Oh, okay.
I need some scissors.
I need.
I'll get you that knife, Mom.
Just give me some scissors. No, I got a knife.
Sage.
Oh, did you get your sage doll?
Here, Connor, we got a knife.
I have sage.
Okay, we heard you.
We just
Don't
got a
forget.
knife.
Well, it is Christmas.
I need scissors.
You need the scissors?
Here we go.
Brooke.
I got something. What you need? Let me see.
I need scissors. Cut those.
Okay.
And sage.
Is
What's
it
in that
safe?
box,
Yes,
Connor?
it is. Look.
Go
Look
open
at
it.
that.
Here, Did Nana cut it?
No, I think Brooke's got some.
No, we need to cut it. Just take the bow off.
Here, Brooke.
I've got it. I've got it.
Oh, she got it. She got it. Look.
You got it,
Already
Connor?
cut it.
A big.
Whoa.
Easy peasy. One
That is a
squeezy.
big
I said just
tractor.
rip the bow off.
Pull it out.
Let me see that thing.
Elton. Connor, grab it.
My God.
Whoa.
Whoa.
You even have a hat and tools. You ready to go?
Wow, Connor.
Whoa.
Where do you find a box this big? This thing's cool. Hey.
Yeah, I like that.
Excuse me?
Did you open your bow?
Connor, put your hard hat on.
What? Get your. You're ready to go build a house. Can you build a house for me?
This was yours.
Oh, beautiful.